we are again, I'm again, and she's for the first time on a ferry.
My first ever experience in the ferry, and I'm excited, but feedback अच्छा नहीं है.
Yeah, you know my experience about the ferries from the last vlog. It's again a private ferry, so everything gonna be dark inside. We are
Dark inside, dark and warm, no?
not
Dark.
warm, but we won't be seeing the natural colors. And
Okay, he's the guide.
again we will be feeling like we are sitting in a bus. But never mind, we want to reach Havelock as fast as we could. That's why we have chosen it.
Fast running on water.
Yeah, fast running. Actually, this is better. There is a gap provided.
Yeah.
You see the natural color.
I'm so busy in my phone right now.
So we are going back to Port Blair, and this time we got government ferry. So let's see how government ferries are. And thing is, booking government ferry is a little bit lengthy process. You have to fill a form few days before the actual departure, and then on the day of departure also you have to get in line and fill up a form, and they issue a ticket.
So let me explain the process in detail. First, spend some awesome time on the island, and while you are doing that, take out some time to go to government ferry reservation counter, which is fun in itself. It is located here, like literally, very near to the jetty. You have to get there 2 days before your actual departure. Fill out the form like this one. On the day of departure, go to government ferry ticket counter and get the ticket, which looks like this, and you are all set for the voyage.
Total there are almost 135 passengers. So yeah, let's experience the government ferry as well. We are inside government ferry. Here's the view. It's not that uncomfortable. I mean, it's not at all uncomfortable. Only the seats are very low, so we don't have any headrest. And the duration is also long. It's 2.5 hours, I think. It's all, there is no TV and all. So that's okay. We don't watch TV anyways on a ferry. Is it better than private ferry? No. She's saying because she has not gone to deck yet. Neither have I. But we are going to go on the deck.
Yeah,
Then she'll say yes. It is the
there is
best.
no crowd right outside.
You will be a government. So let's go on the deck. Now you tell me, is it better than private ferry?
It felt so free to move around. We just walked to the deck and even on the edge of the ferry. We just realized that what we have been missing so far in the private ferries. You can roam around, be anywhere on the ship. You can even go upstairs. I was overwhelmed by the liberty we got on the government ferries. This is what I was talking about. Government ferries are good. It's way better than sitting inside a packed cabin with tinted glass. It's way better. You can just sit anywhere. You can sit here. You can sit anywhere on this ferry. That's so awesome. We don't need seat in that case. There was a small canteen too. सेवन अप है, ये रखा है, मिरिंडा है, पेप्सी है। सेवन अप।
बहुत सारी लहरें हैं यहाँ पे और दो चश्मे लगाने की ज़रूरत इसलिए पड़ रही है क्योंकि एक पावर वाला है मेरा स्पेक्स और ये मुझे यहाँ की ब्राइटनेस से बचा रहा है।
Even though the travel time is more, but given the fact that tickets are cheap and you get to roam anywhere on the ferry, government ferry is the clear winner over private ferry for me.